Hello guys, welcome back to the Architectural Insider, and today we have a quick architecture render. So this is the image that we will be making today. So first I wanted to get like a glass wall on the side, or like a cafeteria area with a large shopping wall. So I did that, have the wall there, then I added a quick floor with this light gray, and what I'm using is I'm using the Polygon Lasso tool. I love this tool, I use it all the time. As you can see, that's one of the tools I'll be using the whole time. So I then added another light gray just to show the difference between levels. Now to make the door entrance, I used a very large building, but I really liked how the front was all glass and it had doors. So I used it. Yes, it is in the dark and it's completely different than the actual image there. But what we're going to do is we're going to play around with the levels, use masking tapes and play with the hue and saturation and the colors, and just see if we can get it as close as we can to the other image. So then I added a few more people just to show what the environment would be like if it was in real life. And then added the church. I wanted to be like a large public square with a large church and like a small park or like some green space, some green trees around. So I then added another staircase just to get the transition and show that there's a difference of level. However, I wanted the main focus to be the cafeteria area. So I'm gonna make everything else black and white or very dull colors just to emphasize everything to the middle. Now to fill the background, I just duplicated a small building, and I just duplicated it just to make it more exciting on the background. So the floor, to make it stand out that it's a collage, I would just quickly get a texture that I already had. It's just old bricks of the floor, and so I then added a few trees just to make it more exciting and make it more alive. Added some trees on the background just to make it more greener, and then added a few smaller trees. Now I did change the opacity on these just to show the depth of field. And then I started to add people. And then I added a few more buildings at the background just to make it more interesting, and added a big wheel at the back. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.